everybody, it's me Tess with Tess Loves Yarn, and as y'all can see, I'm back in the yarn room, back home again. Yay, whew, that's all I can say, right? Goodness, tired. You guys, I am making a video for the first time, I think, since I have been up to Mayo Clinic, which was back in early January. So, when was that? 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago. That's when I was at Mayo. Anyway, I am sorry I haven't made a video since. I have just been super tired and I'm super tired right now. But I did get some mail that made me so happy. You know, you guys, I get happy when I get mail. I really, really do. Don't we all? It's like being a kid again, right? You get something in the mail and you're like, ooh. That's how I am. So, what came in the mail for me? Mary Maxim. Mary Maxim came in the mail, everybody. Ooh, and I'm tickled pink. You know how whoops, sorry about that. You know how I love my Mary Maxim, right? I cannot wait every month to get it. I'm not always 100% happy with it. Most of the time I am. The majority of the time I'm happy with it. So yeah, so I'm super excited that this came. It actually came yesterday, but I was too tired to open it. So I waited until today so I could open it with all of you. And I am just going to grab my scissors, which I know I had them somewhere. I know I did. Let's see. That reminds me of, who was that? Was that Tweety Bird that used to say, I taught us all putty tat. I did. Do you remember that? Oh my gosh. Cartoons from when I was a kid. I'll have to write that down in one of my memory books. Yeah. Anyway, don't mean to be silly, but it is what it is. All right, everybody. Let's open this. Ooh. See what I mean? Whew. It's just, I haven't been getting a lot of good sleep with all this pancreatic stuff going on and all that jazz. Kind of got some weight on my shoulders here. But anyway, we are not focusing on that today. We are talking about Mary Maxim, and I'm going to open this up and we are going to get on with it. There we go. All right, you guys, you get the first peek. What's in there? Tell me what's in there. Let's see. Oh my goodness, we got cotton, y'all. We have cotton, and we have the super size sugar and cream cotton balls. I can tell you right now, those are 100% cotton. They come from Canada. That's where they're made. Let's see. They're made in Canada from 100% cotton. I was right. Yeah, so these are a number 4 yarn. They call for a 4.5 knitting needle or a 5 mil crochet hook. They are washable and dryable. It says do not iron them. I have ironed these before. I will iron 100% cotton items. I just don't do it that often, but I have a few times or more in the past ironed 100% cotton, and I've never had a problem doing it. But it says on here very clearly, do not iron. Yes. So there you have that. But we get 4 of these in the colorway Bamboo and the colorway. How about I open this instead of trying to do this through the package? Wouldn't that be smarter, y'all? Yeah, so here's Bamboo, and these balls are 4-ounce balls, which is 113 grams, which translates into 190 yards if you're from the US. If you're from anywhere else in the world, it's 174 meters. So this is a very pretty mustard yellow. I don't think it's showing up that well. My little Cinderella here that Amalia made me is like a brighter yellow, and you can't even really tell which. How cute is she? I mean, not, did I say Cinderella? Oh my gosh. Can tell my brain's not working. Snow White, duh. You know, I love Snow White. She's my all-time fave. Yeah. And my sweet little friend made this for me and sent it to me. So, yeah, I love her. She's very cute. But anyway, I forgot what I was saying. Bamboo. This is called Bamboo, which I don't know why, because it's yellow. It's yellow. It's like a goldenrod. It's a golden yellow. Bamboo. Don't know. Clueless. All right. Then this one is called Berry Crush, and it looks like a berry. It's not showing up as bright on my camera as it really is in real life. Wish you could see it, the brightness of it. It's very bright. And of course, these are all the super size sugar and cream cotton. I make all my kitchen textiles mostly out of this yarn right here. So, and then we have 2 that is in the ecru color. I love this color. It's not white. It's like an off-white color. It's an off-white color, and I love it. It's a creamy off-white color. So yeah, so let's look at our pattern. Cotton basket set. They say it's an intermediate project. This is it, you guys. Look how cute those are. Cutie, cutie, cutie. You gotta love that. Let me see. This kit is $25 now, you guys. The price has gone up on it. The shipping is $5, and then the kit itself is $19, and then there's a $1 tax. So it makes it $25. And these super-sized yarns here are, I want to say they're like $4.50 a piece where I live. So we have 4 of them. That's, let's see, about $18, right? Am I right that those are about $4.50? I could be wrong. Let me check. Let's see what kind of a deal we got on this kit, you guys. Because, you know, we're all about the deal. Yeah. All right, let's pull it up. I've got Mary Maxim here, and we are going to search Lily Sugar and cream. At least we know these are probably not discontinued because, you know, yeah, they're very popular. Okay, so they're $5 a piece normally. So we got 4, so that's $20 right there. So we did at least get the cost of our kit in the yarn. I don't include shipping and handling. That's just something you gotta pay, right? Unless you get some kind of a freebie code for free shipping, which once in a while they send. But also you do get the pattern. Now I don't know if this pattern is free or if it's a paid for pattern, but we can check. Yeah, we can check. We can search the collection. Cotton basket set. Let's see. Oh, this isn't coming up on here. Although there is a kitchen set with a basket pattern that's $5. So this could be a paid for pattern, or it could just be an exclusive kit pattern that you cannot buy. And in that case, I would say this kit was worth the money. 2 thumbs up, Mary, girlfriend. Big improvement over that fake yarn we got last month. That ribbony stuff. What is that? Sorry. I just don't like that stuff. Y'all know I don't like it. I don't make any bones about it. I don't like it. Don't send it to me, Mary. Don't send it to me. I need happy right now. I don't need fake yarn. All right, here we go. The information on the baskets. The large baskets are 7 inches by 3 inches tall. The tall basket is 4.5 inches across by 4.5 inches tall. And the floral baskets are 5.5 inches by 2.5 inches. And then you get a bonus washcloth pattern, and that is a 6.5 inch square. Awesome. Yeah, and that's this right here. It's very nubby, which is great for the kitchen because that's what you need in your kitchen. You guys, I make all my, I think I told you, I make all my kitchen textiles out of cotton, and I sell these at markets. People always buy them. Not the baskets, the dishcloths and the towels and, you know, the scrubbies. That's what I make and sell. Okay, along with my plushies. But yeah, so it says it's an intermediate, you guys, and I'm looking at the stitch guide. There is like nothing that's difficult. I don't know why they're calling it. I'm just, yeah, there's a cluster in here, but I mean, that's not difficult. Yeah. There is, there's an extended single crochet. Okay, I can see where they're calling this an intermediate now. There is an extended single crochet, but you guys, it's super easy to do. You're just pulling, you're just stretching down with your hook. You're going into a certain stitch that's specified in the pattern, and it's usually in the row below where you're working, and that's why you're extending that stitch to get down there, if that makes sense. Yeah, the rest of the stitches are all pretty standard, you know, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, slip stitches, yeah, half double crochet, 2 together. Yeah, I mean, pretty standard, but that extended one and maybe the cluster, maybe the half double crochet, 2 together, but that's easy too. And there's a ton of YouTube tutorials on these stitches. So if you don't know how to do it, go just look it up. It's not hard. Y'all can do it. Trust me, you can do it. Okay. That is it. I think I told you everything about the pattern and everything about the yarn. That's the pattern again. Super cute, isn't it, you guys? I really like this pattern. I think that I am happy with Mary Maxim today, and y'all know I need happy. Trying to get my words out. Words are hard today. Words are hard today, you guys. Got a lot of that brain fog stuff going on. So anyway, with that said, you guys, I want to thank you for being here. I want to thank you to all my subscribers and to my new private channel members. Oh my gosh, you guys are amazing. I am going to put everybody's name up on the screen right up here. Just because I want to acknowledge you in a small way. I am very grateful for you, and I am grateful for all of you. You guys know I love my crochet friends, right? Love you guys, and I appreciate you very much for watching my videos. I noticed that a lot of you were watching my older videos while I have been you know, sick with this pancreatic cancer stuff. Oh, can you believe it, y'all? Yeah. But anyway, all of your comments and everything in your stories have really touched me and have given me so much hope, and I just really feel loved and I appreciate it. So, with that said, y'all know what comes next. Be kind and be safe out there in the world, no matter where you are. And I hope to see you all very soon. Okay, bye everybody.